Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to paint on this black canvas which was initially white. I have painted it black using acrylic paints. So we are going to paint on this canvas using leaves today, and to paint with leaves firstly we have to get some leaves. So let's move outside to get some leaves. Let me pluck some leaves from these plants. I am going to take leaves from different plants because I need leaves of different shapes and sizes for making their print. So guys, leaves are here. Let me quickly take colors out on my palette, then we will paint with these leaves. I am too excited to paint with these. So let's quickly move on. I am going to use these acrylic paints today. Let me take colors out on my palette and make them dilute by mixing some water in them. Now I am going to apply a layer of paint on the back side of leaf, and then I will make print of this leaf on the canvas. With making this painting, guys, let me remind you that if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe this channel. Why you are waiting, guys? Subscribe it now. Firstly, I am taking dark green shades for leaf printing to add volume in my painting. I am creating circular pattern initially, and then I am going to sprinkle some colors on the canvas. These colors will be random colors, nothing fixed for these. Now as we done with the first layer, so now I am going to take this parrot green shade on the back side of leaf, and I am going to make some prints with it. I am also going to take other light shades on the back sides of various leaves and going to make prints with these leaves, because now I am not going to follow any kind of pattern like initially I painted in the circular pattern. Now I am randomly going to put leaves on the canvas and make their prints. And guys, now I am not using the brush to apply paint on the leaves. I am directly dipping the leaves in the paint and applying it on the canvas. For this, I am taking leaves of different shapes and sizes. Guys, let me tell you, this is really fun. I am just applying the prints on the canvas and it is turning out to be an amazing art piece. Yes, so this DIY is really very amazing and I am really enjoying to paint this. And with these prints, guys, our second layer is now ready. So we have to dip leaves in yellow paint completely now, and we need to apply these on the canvas to make another layer of prints, because we need volume in our painting and a 3D look. So we are going to apply this third layer. It will look more amazing. We started with dark shades and then we moved on to lighter shades. This created depth in the painting, and the pattern will look 3D after the completion of this painting. You will see the result that will mesmerize you. You know what is best in this kind of paintings? You just need ideas, not skills. You just need paints and canvas to create magic and masterpieces for your rooms and for your home. It is really easy. Anybody can do this without even learning painting. And guys, I'm almost done with this. Take a closer look. Look at the final pattern. This is looking amazing and it is having a lot of depth and volume in it and looking really 3D. So guys, our painting is now ready. It is really looking beautiful to me and I hope you liked it too. I'll be waiting for your reviews on this painting in the comment section, so write down amazing comments below. And guys, I'm really sorry for the light conditions in this video because it started raining in the mid of this video and light was very less in the room and colors were not clearly visible. So look at the colors. with these colors I was painting throughout the video. So guys, I'll be improving the light conditions in my videos further, because it's a learning process for me, and this channel is just 1 month old. I'll be improving my content, guys, and if you want to watch more art videos from my side, you can subscribe this channel, because I'll be bringing such amazing content for you guys, and I'm really working hard, and I am really leaving my comfort zone to produce more amazing art videos. So guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.